Hi everyone, welcome to week 10 of music, and this week we're going to be talking about dynamics. And dynamics is how loud or how soft the music is. And another word for soft we use sometimes is quiet. And so we have our word loud. Whoop, there we go. Loud. But now we're going to be learning, and some of you may already remember what we've talked about before, the word forte. So last year you may have heard me mention forte. So remember, forte means loud, and then some of you may remember the word for soft was piano. So piano means soft, and forte means loud. So we're going to be working on that a little bit today, and then we're also going to be working on our rhythms, and this is one that's going to be used a lot today. This is ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. So remember, those TTs are two sounds to a beat, T-T, 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 T-T. And you're going to hear this, and we're going to be playing that rhythm and some other rhythms with a rhythm play along using your instrument kit. So you're going to want to have your instrument kit. Also, if any of you still have the cards that came with your instrument kit, if you would go ahead and cut these out. This is not for today, but for next week, we will be using these cards. If you do not have an instrument kit and didn't get these cards, let me know by messaging me in Schoology, and then I will make sure that you get one in your folder that comes home with your classroom teacher. So have those cut out, or you can even draw some of your own if you don't have them. But if you would like one of these cards and you don't have one, let me know and I'll get you one because we have plenty of extra. So let's go ahead and get started going through the lesson. So the first thing you'll do is go through our song of the month. I finally have it in here in the right place, so you can be proud. But we'll listen to Believe in Yourself one more week, because next week will be November. So we'll be having a new song starting next week. And then you'll click on Next to go to the song Bingo, which this was really fun if you remember it a few weeks ago. So I brought it back for you to go through that one more time. And that's ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, B-I-N-G-O. So working on those rhythms again. And then this is called What's the Dynamic? So forte, that F stands for forte, which remembers forte means loud, and then piano means soft. And so you're going to listen to the sound right here. You're going to press play down here. And then you're going to tell whether it starts forte or does it start piano. And then does it change or does it stay the same? And then you'll be able to check it right here. So we're going to do one together, and then I'm going to let you off, let you go ahead and do the rest on your own afterwards. So we are in teacher mode, and we're going to go to play. All right, so nice. Oh my goodness. So it started off soft, didn't it? Piano, and then it went to forte. Let's check. And we got it correct. So go through and practice some of those. Some of them aren't as obvious as that one was. And you can stay with level 1, or you can go on with level 2. And if you want to go on, you can. But level 1 is all I'm worried about today. So go ahead and practice that. There's also a game mode if you would like to do that, where it times you to see how many you can get done in a certain amount of time. Then we're going to go on to Next. And this is our new song, and I think you're really going to like it. It's called Pumpkin Bones. And Mr. Pumpkin Bones is, has a pumpkin for a head, but he does not know how to share. So he's got a little bit of a problem. He does not want to share. He wants all the pumpkins for himself. So the children in the neighborhood have to tell him that it's not nice not to share and that he needs to give the pumpkins back. So I think you'll enjoy this song. You're going to listen for soft and loud, or piano and forte. And then we're going to have a rhythm play along that goes with it. So first time through, I just want you to listen and watch the video. Second time, try singing along with the chorus. It sounds like this. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins home. And just feel that steady beat the first time through. And then whenever you listen again, if you want to play along with your instrument kit on all the pumpkin bones, you're going to click pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones every time you have those words. And then I'll show you in just a moment. We're going to go on after this song. You'll go next. And then you've got a rhythm read along. And we're actually going to play through this one time together. So you'll just need a pair of sticks. And here we go. So this gives you a little taste of the song too. Fun, fun, Halloween. And you store a pumpkin patch, but someone picked the pumpkin patch. Oh no, what'll we do? We must find out too. Oh no, what'll we do? Where did all the pumpkins go? Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? Pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? Teacher taught the pumpkins bones. There he was, old pumpkin bones, had the pumpkins in his home. That room kitchen 'twas insane. Pumpkin bones had struck the game. Oh no, what'll we do now that we know? Oh no, what'll we do? How we gonna get them back? He went right up to his door. Nice and quiet. Knocked and knocked some more. Heard the footsteps and getting louder. Laughter filled his plumpy cheeks. He said, "Pumpkin, that's not fair. Where we come from, we all share. Halloween's great, one thing we lack. Pumpkin, give the pumpkins back." Very loud. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? Pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He put all the pumpkins back. All right, he put all the pumpkins back, and that was very forte on the end. Okay, so I hope you'll enjoy playing along with that. And then your last thing that you need to do is the assessment. So you're going to start that. Then you have to listen to the sounds. You'll click the play button, and if it's loud, you're going to click loud. And if you think it's soft, you're going to click soft. Remember, it'll turn yellow when you've selected it. Then you're going to click quiz, and you'll have one more to answer. And then you'll click this arrow again. Remember, you'll click the orange button. Yours will say submit. Click the orange button, and then the green button that says OK, and then you're done for this week. There are some extra things that I added on here. There's a game, another game for loud and soft sounds, and then there's a couple of more. There's the dance along, the 5 little pumpkins we did in some of the classes last week. That was pretty fun. Dance along, and a couple extra songs I put on the end. But I think that's it for this week. So practice those rhythms. Listen for loud and soft. Remember, those are forte and piano. And the big overarching word is dynamics. I hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.